Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this look right here with a bold lip and kind of monochromatic look, perfect for fall. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Starting off with the purple facial oil, I'm going to just apply it and massage it on my skin. I don't know how I feel about this oil because I was using it because I had a lot of rashes around my face, but under makeup it looks phenomenal. With the iMagic brow pomade, I'm gonna be filling my brows. I am using a Xoxo angle brow brush and drawing individual hair strokes on my brows, just usual. If you wanna know how I do my brows, please let me know in the comments. I can make one video about it. For cleaning up my brows, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and foundation. Mix them up and clean my brows. Then I will be placing a bit more of that concealer on my lids and blending it with that flat brush. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this palette from Bellanoia, and I will be placing a dark maroon color on my outer V and just do a C shape and blend it in with a orangey color. You can use whatever palette you like. I'm just blending it. Then I am using a white shadow on my lid to bring that pop. Then just using a black shadow to further intensify my outer V. Just making sure the blend is seamless. Then with a ZC Beauty eyeliner, I am drawing a winged eyeliner. You need to be a bit precise with this one. Actually, you don't need to be precise. You can just clean it up with the concealer later on if your wing does not match with the other one. Then for foundation, again the Fit Me foundation. Just blending it with a Bling Beauty brush. For concealer, I am mixing two concealer. One is from ZC and one is from Maybelline. I will be applying it under my eyes, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, just usual areas. Just blending it with the iMagic sponge. I love this sponge. It does not soak up much product. For powder, I'm going to be using the Fit Me loose powder in 25 medium and just setting the places where I tend to be a bit more oily. Then brushing it off with a big fluffy powder brush. Then I'm taking my wet sponge and blending and dabbing it on my face. Then for bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer. Sorry, I did not show the shot. Just forgot to take the product shot. And for blush, I'm just using one pink eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette. For highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I love this highlighter. It's not chunky, not expensive, just perfect. Little bit on the forehead and on the brow bone. inner corners. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is the, I think, washable version. Some on my lower lashes. For tight lining my eyes, I'm using the Plum Naturestudio Kohl. And for lipstick, this is the Blue Heaven. I think this is the Blue Heaven something lipstick. I'll just give the name in the description box below. And the look is complete. I love this look. This look is so simple and so it can be done so easily, but it looks so glamorous. So yeah, if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.